Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey boo. Y'all have so much to do today. So much. I have to go get dinner for tonight to cook for my family. I have to go over to Petco because my son's fish died. They didn't last longer than, all put together, I would say probably 12 hours. I don't know what we doing. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, the fish died. Yeah, and I gotta go get him some more. So, hey y'all, I have made it back from Walmart for getting our goodies and food. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. What I got. The jumbo potatoes for my loaded potatoes tonight. I got raw extra small shrimp. If y'all know anything about down home sausages, if you don't, you need to find out, because baby, they delicious. And I got me and my baby some more sponges, some floss. Let me tell y'all something. Now we walk around here with food in your teeth. There's no reason for you to be walking around here like this. I got a new little something, watch me whip. This is Taraji P from Walmart. I'm trying it out. It smells good. I smelled it in the store. It smells really good. So I'm gonna have to let y'all know how that feels on my skin. Some Nivea. I love it. Love it. Love it. Me and my husband use this. This feels so good, y'all. I got the Dove Sensitive Skin. This is for my daughter's face. This is what she uses when she cleans her face. Let's see. And Dr. T's sugar scrub, shea butter and almond oil. Y'all, tell you need to get it. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And it's a body scrub, y'all. When I say the scent lasts, the scent lasts. You know, it's summer's eve. You gotta keep it clean. Yeah, that's what we got from the store. Now I'm about to do a little straightening up and folding clothes just a little bit. Hey y'all, I have gotten up and I've started cutting up my meat for my stuffed potatoes. This is the down home sausages, and y'all, they are really good. I like to fry them and have a little crisp on them, just to make the flavor pop out a little bit more. I wash that skillet and I get ready to season my shrimp. I season my shrimp with the lemon pepper, and I also season them with the Zatarain blackened seasoning. As you can see, I finished frying the shrimp in the butter. I add my sausage and my shrimp to my Alfredo sauce by Prego. It's the home style flavor, and you just mix it together. I did not make it to Petco today, but I'm gonna try to make it tomorrow. I have started dinner already. As you can see behind me, the potatoes are in the oven. They are done. So basically, I'm just waiting for my Alfredo sauce to finish cooking, and then I will serve. But right now, what I'm about to do is straighten up the kitchen while the Alfredo sauce is cooking down. picky. He does not eat loaded potatoes or anything like that, like everybody else is eating. So I have to pick him some chicken patties in the air fryer and cut them up into like little chicken strips. The things we do for our kids, baby. The things we do. You gonna eat which one with your chicken patties? I mean, with your... You don't want a macaroni?
I want macaroni with it.
You want a macaroni cup? Okay.
I took my granny gave me.
Yeah, your Capri Sun. You had that since you left your grandma's house?
Yes, man. How you how did give me my favorite ruffles?
Oh, she didn't get your favorite ruffles. She still got the round kind.
Like I got the green kind.
Oh, the green. Oh, you like the orange and white bag, huh?
No, like it's a blue one. Like at the top is the orange one right there.
Yeah. You didn't like the green part, the sour cream?
No, because I don't like the normal ones.
Okay. You like the sour cream or not normal?
I like normal though. They sour cream.
It's hot. This juice is hot. It's not cold. Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter, huh? As you see here, guys, I am fixing everyone's food. I'm taking my son's macaroni and cheese out the microwave, mixing his cheese in together. And that is my oldest son, Tyson. He's coming from the back. If you have a teenager, you know they stay in their room on those games. But that is my oldest son. And I'm fixing my husband something to eat. I have fixed his plate and has given it to him. And now we're about to sit down and eat. Pretty good. How was your chicken nuggets? I mean, your chicken strips and your macaroni?
Good.
Good? How was the potato?
It's good.
It's good. How is it?
Great.
Great. We are about to eat. Everyone is satisfied. So I'm about to grab my potato and my glass of wine. And I'm about to eat and relax. Hey y'all, it's the next day. We made it to Petco. Got some other goldfish. Hopefully they don't die on us. But yeah, we took a little break. Right here, this shake is delicious. Deliciosos, I must say. Very good, very good. But on the other hand, we didn't buy some more fish. And hopefully they don't die, y'all. Because let me tell you, it's been a time with the fish. I think we just call it a day and just get a dog. Tonight, this is my best friend Misha. We are having a girls' night tonight. We about to get litty. Is that recording? Oh, right. Cause she's Hi guys, I am Jamisha Ward, and I am on Jenna Day's channel. Cheers. What's up, good people? Let me tell you, me and my friends had a time last night. Let me tell you that. We had so much fun. It was so good to rekindle with my best friends again. We be so busy. We was missing one. She was in Las Vegas, and We missed her. We miss you, Tammy Tam. But next time she comes back home, we are going to turn up again. But I'm going to say, if you ever have any friends that you love and y'all have been friends for so long, me and my best friends have been friends over, is it 10 plus years, I'm going to say. And it was just like, it's like we never miss a beat. Even though we don't talk to each other every day or anything like that, whenever we hook up, we don't miss anything. It's so hard to trust a lot of females nowadays. And if you have those type of relationships and y'all have been friends for so long and you trust one another, enjoy it. Enjoy it, because you don't find loyal females that you can trust, like with your information or how you feel or anything like that. So I would say make sure you make time for your friends when you can. But yeah, I love my besties and I wouldn't trade them for the world. Thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see and want to come back, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to turn that little notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.